In front of me is INFINIX Hot 11, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *## 06#. And here you've got IMEI numbers. Tap on OK to close it. You can also reach those info via settings. To do it, just reach the settings, find and select My Phone, so it's the top icon here, and then scroll a bit lower and you will find IMEI numbers right here, and then serial number would be located under model. So here it is, and that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.